Do you want to manifest more results more often and more simply than ever before? Quite a few years ago, I was a pretty positive person, but I never quite reached my goals. I was hopeful, expectant, but I didn't quite get there. I reached them sometimes, but it was pretty hit and miss. Some might say it was more luck than judgment. I was an almost person. I almost got the promotion. I almost got out of debt. I almost hit my financial goals, but I never quite made it. Then I found a way to change everything. And the best part is that it was actually so much easier than I thought. On this course, I'm going to teach you the keys and strategies that I applied to turn everything around. The way I thought, acted, dealt with challenges, and how this literally upgraded my life and my business. I just followed some simple steps. I decided to change and I took the necessary action, and now I've created a unique framework to make it easy for you to learn too. I'm Steve Owbridge. I'm the author of the book Mindset Skill Set and a coach with over 35 years in business, coaching, and mentoring. Have you ever wondered why some people succeed in areas that maybe you feel you're failing? Maybe you're involved in a business and you see people with similar skills to you, the same products as you, but they're making a lot more money than you. Maybe you've been involved in several businesses, moving from one to the next one to the next one, hoping that something will change, but your results are pretty much the same. Maybe you're someone who's yet to reach their potential due to limiting beliefs, fear of failure, fear of rejection, or something else in your mind that holds you back and just stops you achieving your goals. Maybe you've heard about or studied the law of attraction, but it's just not working for you as you'd hoped. This course is kind of a law of attraction accelerator or an alternative for the more practical minded. Maybe you're struggling to attract success and wondering, why doesn't the law of attraction work for me? Now, there is a secret about the secret, and that is that there are two sides to manifesting success. The first side is the spiritual, things like energy, vibes, faith, the universe, God, the creator, etc. And the other side is the physical, the power of the mind, the ability to program your mindset and tune in to opportunities and success by using physical techniques and biology. Both of these can work independently, but if you want to supercharge your ability to manifest success more quickly, then learning both is the real secret. This course focuses on the latter part, the physical, so it will work for people who believe in the spiritual aspects of the law of attraction, or it will also work for people who don't believe in that side at all, but they've just got a more practical or logical mindset. So what makes some people more successful than others? How you think determines what you do. What you do determines the results you get. I'm going to share with you my 5-step framework on how to change your mindset in a practical way. My ICUP framework, ICUUP, teaches you how to identify areas of improvement. C, create new bioprograms to change your thinking. U, unlock your subconscious mind so you can upload these bioprograms. And then P, protect your subconscious from negative programming. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can this really work? Is it really possible for me to program my own mindset? Well, if you think that, that's already one of the limiting beliefs that's stopping you achieving other goals too. Your mindset has been programmed since you were born. Your environment, your upbringing, relationships, teachers, coaches, all had an impact. Some good, some not so good. For example, have you ever been told you're not good enough, you're not going to make it, or don't try because it probably won't work, or something else? It always amazes me that people take advice from other people who know less than them. The ability to program your mindset is a life skill that can change your business, your relationships, and help you to literally upskill in every area of your life. Now, what makes this course so powerful is its simplicity. I made it simple to follow and simple to do. No jargon or academic gymnastics to make me sound clever, just a step-by-step simple approach to learning a new powerful life skill. It's literally a 14-day course on how to hack your mind. The value in this course is immeasurable in terms of how it can change your life. But I want to give you all the tools to really grow from this. The course itself is usually $897, but my goal is to help as many people as possible. So for a limited time, it's yours for free. Yes, you heard me right. There is a $0 cost to you. I also wanted to make sure that after the course is finished, you still have access to the online tools and resources, because you're going to want to repeat the course several times. As you apply the skills and you learn, you'll always be refining it. So to help you with this, you'll get access to all the PowerPoint slides that I use during the course so you can review the frameworks I teach. I'm also including a free copy of the 100 Plus Bioprograms Manual, which is a book of over 100 example affirmations, which you can just use as they are, or you can use to help you formulate your own. You'll also get access to my exclusive Mindset Skillset Facebook group, where you can ask me or others in the group questions to help you on your mind hacking journey. On top of that, I'll give you ongoing access to all the one-pager interactive worksheets, so you can continue to build on the process of building your mind hacking machine. And I'll also give you a free copy of my ebook, 7 Practical Steps to Program Your Mindset for Success. All these bonus gifts, along with the course cost, have a value of around $2,000, but today I'm giving you all of them for free. Just register below and I'll give you access to everything I've mentioned, but more importantly, start your journey to changing your mindset and achieving more in your life. So literally, you'll have the whole video course complete with online interactive worksheets, the 100 Plus Bioprograms Manual, access to the Mindset Skillset Facebook community group, and the 7 Practical Steps ebook for free. This is a massive value offer, and I don't know how long I'll have it for, okay? So I hope you take advantage of it while you can, and I will see you on the other side.